Personal Architect is the ultimate all-in-one solution for all your home design needs. It empowers you to create designs from the foundation to the rooftop, paying attention to the tiniest details in your living space and even the outdoor flower beds, while utilizing the most advanced tools available. Effortlessly sketch your project in both 2D and 3D, enabling you to experiment with new floor plans and explore intricate interior design decor choices. You can quickly draw rooms and add windows, doors, furnishings, accessories, and wall finishes. Access a vast catalog of high-quality 3D objects, allowing you to experiment with various looks. For your exterior, whether it's a new deck design or the addition of lighting, plants, trees, pathways, or gazebos, you have the tools to transform your outdoor living space seamlessly. Personal Architect offers everything you need, from decorative elements to furniture, texture, and materials for every area within your home. Create stunning renderings or fully immerse yourself in a new space using VR. With Personal Architect, your projects come to life, providing an immersive and engaging experience.